The birds of the Pacific Flyway depend on a diverse chain of habitats, from Arctic tundra to tropical beaches and mangroves and down onto the pampas of Patagonia. But none is more critical than California's Central Valley wetlands for many of the species, including migratory sandhill cranes, snow and Ross's geese, and many ducks along with resident species. Although many birds are similarly dependent on the wetlands for their survival, they all use it in different, surprising and fascinating ways, illustrating their varying evolutionary, adaptive and cultural histories that we will illustrate and discuss in this program. The Central Valley once contained 4 million acres of permanent and seasonal wetlands, which supported millions of migratory waterfowl and other water birds of the Pacific Flyway. After statehood in 1850, Californians began to drain or reclaim these wetlands at an astounding rate throughout the entire valley. During the second half of the 20th century and into the 21st, we have been protecting and restoring valley wetlands, the result of a profound shift in our views about the natural world. These histories reveal unintended consequences of the manipulation of nature, as well as surprising connections between wildlife and reclamation, flood control, agriculture, and ranching. We will explore this fascinating history of wetland loss and recovery in the Sacramento Valley, and especially here in the San Joaquin Valley.